Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to load filament on the Ultimaker S5. Here is our home screen of our printer. From here we want to navigate to the middle tab on the left and hit where it says no material on slot 1 to the left. Once you hit this, the build plate will home quickly and the nozzle will move toward the front of the printer. It will then ask you to place a new spool in the back. Each step on the screen is easy to understand and navigate through this entire process. So here's a view from the back of the printer, and the spool holder indicated with the number 1 is for print core 1, which is what we've selected. We place the filament on the holder and push the end through the Bowden extruder like I'm doing here. Sometimes it may be a bit difficult to push the filament through, so cutting it at a 45-degree angle or opening the latch at the side can help push it through a little bit easier. We want to push it up just past the top of the printer so it doesn't have to travel for as long in the tube. Here I'm showing just at the point where I want the filament just to be above the printer. After the spool has been applied, you will hit confirm on the menu screen. The material will detect for a few seconds and then appear as tough PLA black. We will hit confirm again and the material will begin to push up through the PTF tube and extrude out at the end of the nozzle. You are looking for the filament to come out at a decent pace and straight. If it doesn't come out fast at first, just give it a few seconds and it eventually extrude smoothly. Sometimes releasing the latch at the back of the printer and pushing manually helps to get the material to extrude well. Just confirm the process and you'll be on your way. Thanks for watching.